ride to the Munster Truck Show in Arcadia, Florida. I used to go when I was a kid with my brother, and I cannot wait to take my kids. Let's go.
Messed up, but it's still pretty.
Still beautiful, baby. Travel alone. Let's go. Not my corner lash lifting, bitch. About to fly off like a bird.
I got my headphones.
All right, let's go.
I can't wait.